Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender. Sometimes you want to install some software or apps and it gets in the way and it doesn't let you. If you want to turn it off, this is how you do it. Go to the bottom left hand corner. This is on Windows 10. Go to the bottom left hand corner. Right click the start button. Okay guys, go to settings. This will pop up here. Go down, scroll all the way down to update and security. Then go ahead and click on Windows Security right here. Then you're going to click right here where it says Virus and Threat Protection. I know it takes a while. A window will pop up. This is what the window will look like. And you are going to go ahead and click on Manage Settings right here where it says Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Here it is, guys. It took, what, 6 steps to get here? Freaking Windows, you keep making it so hard. But anyway, here it is, guys. Real-time protection. Turn that off. You're going to get a Windows Security user account control window. Click yes. And then go ahead and click here where it says Cloud Delivered Protection. Turn it off as well. Now you can download anything you want, install anything you want. Word of caution, though, guys. Be very careful. Don't go and download a real virus. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.